Hi guys, it's Sean from Gaslit, just doing a series of videos on breaking down this Worcester Greenstar boiler. So the idea of these videos is for information purposes only, and they're not made for self-repair. If you get it wrong on doing a self-repair on the boiler, the likelihood of gas leaks and CO poisoning is very, very high. So please don't try and repair your own boiler. Find someone that's gas safe registered, and hopefully they'll do a great job. So super. So right, back to the video. So we've been breaking down this boiler. We've done the heat exchanger, we've done the plate to plate, we've done all the various bits and pieces. So we're getting to the end of the video now. So now we've got the what we call the flow adapter, or hydraulic block, sorry, not flow adapter, hydraulic block. So here we go, pass this down, hopefully we can see it on the video. So this side here, let's get that unscrewed. I end up cutting the pipe off to the bypass pipe in the end. I was getting the ump with it. So let's get this little clip off. So if you ever call us up with a leaky Greenstar boiler, we'll ask you, is it leaking from the left or is it leaking from the right? So this is the flow manifold. So it comes down from the boiler, comes into here, and then this is the plate to plate heat exchanger water connections. So it'll either come down through the plate, which is the diverters on the return side. So it goes down this pipe here for your heating, or goes down this pipe here for your hot water, and that's a hot water sensor just there for you, and that's what sets your temperature, or tells the boiler what the temperature is of the water. Ooh, little flies. And then that's your bypass, which in an earlier video I couldn't get out. These things, obviously these have been in since the boilers were built, and it's never been taken out. Oh. So yeah, it's proper in there. So you can imagine how hard these are when you've got to put them all back together. So yeah, so quite a simple little thing, but these do crack, and when they crack they just leak. So you have a leak on the hot side, which then just allows the water to carry on, or it can leak on the other side, which is on the heating side, then your pressure will drop. But yeah, these are notorious for going as well. Good old Worcester, and they're plastic parts. I've got my gloves on because all these bits here are absolutely razor sharp. I will go and get a bit of fruit and show you how sharp these are, but you can feel it on the gloves. So never ever work on a Worcester unless you got your gloves on. You know, that was from an earlier Worcester. So super. So that's really the whole boiler broken down into loads of little bits and pieces. So I hope you've enjoyed the breakdown of this video. As soon as I can get some other boilers, I'll do some more videos as well. Okay then guys, any problems, give us a call. If you're down in the southeast, we're based here in Medway at Gaslit Towers, over in the historic city of Rochester. Take care guys, bye.